Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Pipedrive account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you link or connect your Google Meet to your Pipedrive account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Google Meet to Pipedrive anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe doing consultations, you know that scheduling calls through Google Meet can be convenient, and this way you can take care of that directly from your Pipedrive account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Pipedrive, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and link your Google Meet to Pipedrive, you're going to click on this puzzle icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see this pop up, but you want to click on the green Browse Marketplace button. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the search bar right here at the top. Go ahead and just type in Google Meet. Unless you see it right here as a recommended, you can click directly onto it. If not, just click the search bar, and then you should see the Google Meet logo. So go ahead and click on the logo. Okay, so here Pipedrive is going to give you a little bit of information about connecting your Google Meet to Pipedrive. If you're ready to go ahead and connect, click on this green authorize button here on the bottom right. Okay, so next you're going to go ahead and choose who's going to have access to the Google Meet. I'm going to go ahead and leave it as only me. However, you can go ahead and give access to all users or specific users. That's up to you. And then click on next. Okay, next you want to go ahead and give Google Meet permissions. So click on allow and install. Okay, next Google opens up a login screen. So you're going to want to choose which Google account you want to use if you have multiple. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. Okay, next Google's going to warn you that you're about to share this information with Pipedrive CRM. If you're okay with that, click on continue. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now my Google Meet has been added as an app into my Pipedrive. And to confirm that, you can go ahead and click on the puzzle icon here on the top right. And if we scroll down, we're going to see the Google Meet app right there. So now I can go ahead and schedule calls and join calls directly from my Pipedrive into my Google Meet. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google Meet to your Pipedrive, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.